Alright. So look, if I even try to hug him, he whines. Like, why are you whining? You're supposed to love attention.
What?
You demand attention, but you whine for it when I give it to you. What kind of attention do you want? Huh? What kind of attention? What do you want, you brat? You are a brat. You are a big brat. You're seeing this, right? He's a big brat. What? 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 Cash, say hi to the camera. Oh. You leaving? Are you leaving, Cash? No? You're not leaving? Bless you, Cash. Look, he's just whining. He just whines. Watch, I'm gonna pet him. Huh? Okay. Whoa! Ow! My foot. He is annoying. And he's surprised by it. You are annoying. He is annoying. Look at this. This is the face of a dumb dog. No thoughts in his head.